Stop scrolling for a second, because what you're about to hear might change how you look at electric cars forever. Imagine a sleek electric sedan that looks like a Tesla, costs way less, drives like a premium sports car, and comes from the world's biggest EV manufacturer that's quietly dominating USA. This is not a concept, this is not hype. This is the 2026 BYD Seal, and today I'm breaking down why this car is making Tesla nervous, why USA buyers are already lining up, and why American drivers should be paying very close attention. Now let's talk price first, because that's where the shock really hits. In the USA, if the 2026 BYD Seal enters the market through imports or partnerships, expected pricing sits around $38,000 to $45,000 depending on battery and performance version. In Japan, pricing converts to roughly 5 to 5.5 million yen, while across ASEAN markets like Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia, you're looking at the equivalent of $28,000 to $35,000. That undercuts most Tesla models and delivers premium EV tech at a very aggressive price point. Since this is a full electric car, fuel average in the traditional sense doesn't apply, and that's where the savings begin. The BYD Seal delivers an estimated range of around 350 to 400 miles depending on variant and driving style. For daily city use, you can easily go an entire week without charging. Compared to a gasoline sedan, you're saving thousands of dollars per year on fuel alone. Charging at home in the USA costs a fraction of gas prices, and in Asian countries where fuel prices are high, the savings feel even bigger. Maintenance cost is another major win. No oil changes, no engine belts, no exhaust system, and fewer moving parts overall. BYD's Blade battery is designed for long life and safety, with lower degradation compared to many older EV batteries. Over 5 years, maintenance costs are significantly lower than both Tesla and traditional petrol cars. This is especially important for Asian buyers who prioritize long-term ownership and low running costs. Resale value is where BYD has surprised a lot of people. In China and Southeast Asia, BYD EVs are holding value better every year because of strong brand trust and battery durability. As BYD expands globally, resale confidence is improving fast. While Tesla still leads resale in the USA, BYD is closing that gap quickly, especially among informed EV buyers who care more about reliability than brand hype. Let's talk performance in simple terms. In the city, the BYD Seal feels quick, smooth, and effortless. Instant torque means traffic lights are fun again, and overtaking slow cars is stress-free. The low center of gravity makes it feel planted and stable, even on rough city roads. On the highway, the Seal is quiet, confident, and comfortable at high speeds. Acceleration for highway merging is strong, and the car remains stable even at sustained cruising speeds. The performance version hits 0 to 60 in around 3.8 seconds, which puts it right in Tesla territory. Ownership cost goes beyond just fuel and maintenance. Insurance in the USA is expected to be similar to mid-range Tesla models, depending on state and driver history. In Asian markets, insurance is often cheaper than luxury European brands because parts and repairs are more affordable. BYD has one of the strongest supply chains in the EV world, meaning parts availability is excellent across Asia and improving rapidly in overseas markets. This is a huge plus compared to some newer EV startups that struggle with spare parts. Now let's do a quick comparison. Against Tesla Model 3, the BYD Seal offers similar performance, comparable range, and often better interior quality for less money in Asian markets. Tesla still wins on charging network in the USA, but BYD's battery safety and build quality are serious advantages. Compared to something like the Toyota Hilux, which many Asian buyers still consider for daily use, the Seal is obviously not a pickup, but it destroys the Hilux on fuel cost, comfort, technology, and city usability. For urban and highway driving, the Seal is simply smarter and more efficient. One of the biggest reasons the BYD Seal makes sense for Asian roads and traffic is its design philosophy. It's compact enough for narrow streets, easy parking, and dense city traffic, yet spacious and comfortable for long family trips. The suspension is tuned for imperfect roads, the cabin is quiet, and the electric drivetrain eliminates the stress of stop-and-go traffic. In cities like Jakarta, Bangkok, Manila, or even Karachi-style traffic conditions, this car feels calm instead of exhausting. Interior quality is another surprise. The materials feel premium, the infotainment is modern and responsive, and the rotating screen adds a fun, practical touch. Safety tech is strong, with advanced driver assistance systems that help in crowded traffic situations. For families, daily commuters, and even rideshare drivers, this car checks a lot of boxes. For American buyers, the BYD Seal represents something new. It's a reminder that EV innovation isn't coming from one country anymore. For overseas Asian buyers, it's proof that you don't need to spend luxury money to get a world-class electric sedan. This car blends performance, efficiency, and affordability in a way very few competitors can match right now. So if you're thinking about switching to electric, if you're tired of high fuel bills, or if you just want a fast, stylish, future-ready sedan that actually makes financial sense, the 2026 BYD Seal deserves to be on your radar. This is not just another EV. This is a signal that the global EV game has changed. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more honest, high-energy car reviews like this, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.